Welcome to Legitt AI, the smarter way to create, manage, and sign your documents online. Create a document on the platform and save it with the name you want. Click Save, click Finish. You can skip Save if you are ready to finish. Click on People icon. This will open various options. Click on Add button under Signatory. This will open a window to add various people. Provide name and email address of the person who need to sign. Click on Add. Repeat this to add as many people as required. Optionally, you can enable sequential signature. This will ensure that when first person signs, then only second person can sign. This is an optional feature, and most of the time you would not be required to use it. Click Continue. This will take back you to Editor. Again, click on Content icon. Add signature boxes at the places where signature is required. The color of name and boxes indicate for whom the signature is. Repeat this for all signatories. Once you have added signature boxes for all the signatories, click on Send for Sign button and follow the instructions thereafter. All signatories will receive the email to sign the document. Legitt AI is simple, secure, seamless.